নমস্কার, কেমন আছেন? আশা করছি দর্শক বন্ধুরা ভালো আছেন। অলরাইট, don't be astounded. I slipped into a bit of Bangla because rare are the instances that Anesha Ghosh gets to speak to somebody who shares her surname. Richa Ghosh, India's premier power hitter, who was India's top scorer in that terrific game against Sri Lanka. Richa, welcome to the show. You had quite the knock in this game against Sri Lanka, 50 plus. What would you say about that innings of yours?
When I came in the batting, that time there was 2-3 wicket down already. So me and Jamie was there on the crease that time. We both just talking we have to stay there and we have to make a partnership. So that was my first thought. Then when Jamie got out, then Dipti when came, so I tried to take the charge because I am said that time. So I tried that thing. In the end, there was few overs left, but I thought that time I have to take the charge. So I think I thought that thing only.
Excellent. And you've always been this big girl, tall girl, very well built. But tell us, where does this power come from? What does a regular gym session of Richa Ghosh look like?
My trainer knows better because he pushed me more time, like come on the gym or something. And I love weight training and I love to take more weights. So I think that was the thing. And I have from my childhood, I love to hit sixes, and that I think this has come from my father only, like the genetic things. So I think I get the power from my family, like my father. Then I think I work on my more power.
Your father, of course, Manavendra Ghosh, has been a big MS Dhoni fan, and that fan boying has rubbed on to his daughter. Tell us, how big a fan of the former India men's cricket captain have you been all these years?
Yeah, he's my idol, especially like when he's hitting the sixes and whenever he came in the bat that time, like whatever team needs, he was there. So I love to take from that how he hit the sixes and all, how he rotate the strike and how he take the team forward. And from the keeping skill, I'm trying to follow him, but I'm looking for myself. Who am I? And I want my name there. Like I'm there.
Who am I is the key existential question this Gen Z superstar has posed. Final one, Richa. This is a home World Cup, ODI World Cup year for India, of course. You want to win that elusive senior women's ODI World Cup, or even a T20 World Cup for India for that matter. Talk us through your dreams and aspirations leading into that world event in September, October at home.
Yeah, it's very important for us. As a team, we know how we have to understand the other team also. When we are playing here, we know the condition is little tough here. So we are trying to adjust the condition, and we are figuring out what we have to do in the World Cup. So we are trying everything here only because we have one or two I think series is coming up, but we are looking forward this whatever we are doing better or good thing. So we are taking the good thing from here to the World Cup.
Thank you for your time, Richa. Of course, as India make those tweaks in their lineup and makes the experimentation leading into that home World Cup, we will keep an eye out on how this tournament, this tri-series progresses. We will see you again on May the 7th as India take on South Africa here at the R. Premadasa International Cricket Stadium.